Welcome guys, this is Infinite Tutorial here, and I'm going to show you how to jailbreak 5.1 on any iPod, iPhone, or no, strike that. You can't jailbreak an iTV yet, I don't think. An Apple TV? Yeah, you can't jailbreak them with this yet. But you can do something really cool. Your iPod 5.1.1, if you had to update or if something went wrong or if you just updated to 5.1.1, you can jailbreak it, tethered jailbreak it with this. I'll say that again, this is not an untethered jailbreak, it's a tethered jailbreak. I think a tethered jailbreak is more stable. They haven't came out with an untethered jailbreak yet. They're supposed to be within the next 2 weeks. And that was said last Monday on May, I think that was May 13th, May 12th, something like that. May 13th or May 12th. But I'm going to show you how to tether jailbreak it. So I'm going to have the links of this, of all you'll need in the bottom. But first, I'm going to say this. If you're running Windows, or you have an HP, or you just don't have a Mac, period, and you're running Windows XP, or Windows Professional, or Windows Vista, or anything like that, I hope that you're not running Windows Vista. But if you are, this will still work, it just won't work as well. So this is what I'm going to need you to do if you're running Windows XP. If you're running Windows XP or Windows Vista or anything like that, you need to get rid of WinRAR if you have it, because your files won't download like this. You restore files, they won't download like that. They'll actually download in the zip folder, and then you won't be able to get into your zip folder to get the restore out. It'll just stay in a zip folder. So what you need to do is you need to go here after getting rid of WinRAR if you have it. To replace WinRAR, just get 7-zip. It works just as well. But to download your firmware, because you need your firmware first, to get it, I use getios.com. It's easy. You just put in the device you have. You put in the model. You put in 5.1.0. I don't care if you have 5.1.1, you need 5.1.0 for this jailbreak to work. And I'm going to show you why. You just click it and then you hit download. You want to save file and you want to hit OK. And I've already downloaded it, but I'm using Mozilla Firefox. I think it downloads faster, but and it's easier. You just download it to your desktop. If you're using Mozilla, you just drag it over to your desktop. You should know that. But if you're using Windows XP, just save it to your desktop, and it should look like this after you get done. Now, when you got your firmware, you need to download the latest version of Red Snow, and I'll also have that for you. You need to go to ijailbreak.com. I'll have the link because this actually took me a while to find. Just ijailbreak.com, and you're going to have to scroll down, and right here it is, download for Windows and the download for Mac. I have Windows, so I have to use this one. If you have Mac, it works the same way. You just got to download that version. So after you get done doing that, it should come in a file like this. Right click on it, hit extract all, follow the wizard, do exactly what it says, and extract everything to your desktop. When you get it on your desktop, it should look like this. Now, if your firmware downloaded in a file like this, that means that you have a problem with an archiving program on your computer and it wants to make it an archive file, which that sometimes works. It happened to me. So all you need to do is you just need to find another computer. That's how I fixed it. Luckily I have 4. But if you don't have another computer, find a family member or a friend that'll let you download it. I'm sorry if it has to be that way. I don't know how to get around that yet, but I'm going to try. I guess I'll make that video later after this one. I guess. Maybe. Probably. Anyways. It should look like this, and what I need you to do when you have both these on, the way that you need them to be set up, double click Red Snow, and you need to go into extras. you need to select IPSW, and you need to get iPod 5.1, or it'll say iPhone or whatever, but pretty much it'll say 5.1 restore. So you need to click that and you need to hit open. And it should say the following build was identified. It'll be used for the rest of this Red Snow session. It's exactly what you want. Hit back, go into Jailbreak. It should prepare the jailbreak for you. It might take a bit. If it does, it's okay. It's just, you don't want it to mess up, so you don't want it to go fast. If it goes fast, something's actually going wrong. So I'll do the battery percentage just because I like enable battery percentage. You don't have to do it though. You have to check install Cydia, so make sure it's checked. Don't hit install custom bundle because you don't have a custom firmware that you want to put on it. So just check install Cydia. Hit next. Hit next again. Follow the instructions, and it should go through the whole jailbreak with you. Now, from this point on, your computer pretty much does it for you. I actually don't. Yeah, there's not a point on where you have to stop the jailbreak. But after it does pop up and it says jailbreak complete, the rest of the process will be performed on your it says the rest of the process will be performed on your iPod or something like that. Then your Apple's going to want to pop up, and then your Cydia is going to be white, or your iPod just won't turn on at all. It'll have the Apple symbol. That's okay. It's a tethered jailbreak. It's supposed to happen. So you come back and you hit extras. You hit just boot, follow the same instructions, and it's going to boot it up. And it's going to kind of look like it's jailbreaking it, but it's just booting your iPod up. That way Cydia works. You'll know it worked when an iPod pops up on the front of your iPod. No, when a pineapple, a pineapple boot logo will pop up on the front of your iPod, and that's how you know it's worked. And it should boot up, and you should have Cydia. You should actually have Cydia, and it should be working just fine. I don't really think there's any glitches with this or bugs that I'm aware of. I mean, I have a lot of mods on my iPod myself, and it's been working fine. So that's pretty much all you do. I'm sorry, I already jailbroke my iPod, and I don't really feel like redoing it since it took me about a week just to get all this stuff ready, because I was originally on 5.0.1, but my iPod messed up and I had to redo it. 5.0.1 was a great software. I liked it. It's just the jailbreak had some bugs in it. So this one's a lot more stable. Hopefully when they come out with an untethered jailbreak in a couple weeks, or in about a week or so, it should actually not have as many bugs. So, anyways, this is Infinite Tutorial. Subscribe, please. I don't really get a lot of subscribers or views, but I hope this video helped. If it doesn't, throw some comments at me, please. No haters. I just don't feel like dealing with it. I mean, you can hate if you want, but I mean, I'm trying to help you guys. I don't see why you would. But send me a private message telling me if my video needs something or anything like that. I hope I helped, and I also have a video on getting out of restore mode that should be on my channel. So thanks guys. I guess that's it. The download links will be in the description below. Thanks, and bye bye. Oh, wrong one. Here we go. Bye.